All right, so I'm done trading today, and today is March 30th, 2021. Only green by 66 bucks, but more so because I was down almost $3,000 and managed to get back with a lot of composure on a Tesla trade that almost made us $3,000. And we got out right at the top, um, where we wanted to, um, yeah, where we wanted to, where our target was. So, which is impressive. But we were lucky, should I say, because we got into Tesla here with 4 contracts and we rode it all the way up to the top. We could have stayed because we've just finally broken this trend line. Or no, we're actually at this trend line. Um, yeah, and so right now I was lucky because yeah, I was determined to be green today, and yeah, I was very red initially, but no, I wasn't very upset about how red I was. Um, but anyway, so what happened? I think a lot of it has to do with my state of mind, but I don't know if I'm completely done because I'm looking at this point here. I know there's a reversal at play, but I want to see, I'm really looking to see if Tesla still has room to go forward. I mean, when it crossed this trend line, I was like, okay, we're going to be reversing very soon. I hope it makes it to my target, which is white marked over here. And we got there. Anyway, so what happened? So, first thing first, I'm glad I was calmer today and I did not panic. I wish I had traded this SPY instead. Instead, I chose to trade Apple. And the first mistake that I made was I got into Apple. Just slightly distracted. All right. Yeah, so I got into Apple. Excuse me. There was a demand area over here, which I thought was a bit too early, way too early, but I still got in anyway. And oh, Tesla's already finally decided to go back up. Anyway, I'll look into it later. But I got into Apple at this point with 30 contracts, went up for a bit, and then it came back down, and I was down almost 500 bucks. So I got another 30 contracts round about here, another demand area. No, 30 here. So I had 60 in. Then it broke. Then it came down here, double bottomed. So I got in another 30. So I had 90 and then bought 10. So I had 100. And this thing was just chopping around. And I thought, oh no. And it came over here, broke here. Then I thought, okay, let's see whether we'll have another double bottom over here. Maybe we can ride it up. But it just showed no signs of going up, especially when the SPY was already going up. And Tesla was also very strong. And I thought, yeah, I'm trading the wrong stock today. I should be trading Tesla because Tesla is making higher highs and higher lows. And I think the issue for me right now is the fact that I am using these demand zones. And I don't blame them. But I'm making decisions based around them. And I feel maybe I should try trading with just wedges just to see what's up. I know it's harder and sometimes I get failed trades, but the good thing about them is I don't lose as much. Or I can just do wedges in conjunction with supply and demand. All right, so that was Apple. And so I got into Tesla and I'm still watching it because there potentially is another trade in here. I don't have much buying power, but I can buy a very small option, which is really cheap. Oh yeah, it's hit the top, and it's hit another trend line, which is not shown on this chart, but it's shown on the daily, not the daily, sorry, on this chart. I don't know why I plotted it like this, but this is a double top. So I was expecting Tesla to come back down here. All right, but anyway, what happened was we bought Tesla. We saw this break of this other trend line. This is a 1 minute chart, which is, I don't cherry do a 1 minute anyway. 2 minute maybe. So I saw the break of this trend line here. I was like, but there are no demand zones that I can see. But the trend line break looks really good, and it looked pretty convincing because you saw this, it never ever came down again. And each leg was a very, very strong leg, and I thought, okay, this is really, really, really looking good. So what I'm gonna do now, no, that's not the right candle. I'm just gonna plot this here because Tesla is strong today, and now it's in a trading range. I don't expect Tesla to come and find the VWAP. Instead, I think we have another leg up, but I would only be interested in Tesla if we can break high of day. I think that's probably a good play, at least convincingly. As you can see, the volume is tapering off, so that's a good sign. So I've got the calls ready. I might as well just buy them now anyway, but then we haven't proven that the trend has changed. It's just that I won't be able to afford them once they go above a certain level. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we just have to watch and wait. But anyway, so that was my trading day. I went in just feeling a bit tense. I'm not happy with the way I felt, but I'm glad at least I was able to control my my emotions. My heart wasn't pumping, and like my heart's pumping, but as in I wasn't feeling very stressed. Okay, so there's a bit of disappointment for those who are shorting here. So we could try going up, but I want to see what's behind on the left. All right, so we have a double top here that only brought price down here. So let's see how far low it goes. And then we'll take it from there. Alright, so I've just jumped into Tesla with one small contract. I'm not really risking much. I just kind of, two things. I was watching the SPY. The SPY's at this trend line. I'm hoping the SPY keeps going up. We're having these pullbacks, and even though this is a supply area, because we're so strong and the follow through looks a bit weak, I kind of expect that we're going to go a bit higher again. So I mean, look at this. This is on the 2 minute obviously, but look at how many strong candles we have, and price is moving up. So yeah, I'm gonna just keep watching this right now. Yeah, contracts are in. We have 19, a delta of 19. Let's see how far it goes. If it fills, then we know that we're going down again. Like, that'll be a double top. So I'm hoping we'll have, yeah, I'm hoping that we'll have a lot going up. I was just looking at my phone. Okay, that looks like a top, but let's see what happens, because it doesn't look very good. Yeah, that's a lot. I'm gonna put a stop. I put a stop of 62. I don't want to risk more than my gains. Fair enough. Oh yeah, and the SPY looks good too. So, but Tesla looks like it's coming down. Yeah, it looks like it's coming down. If it engulfs that last candle, then yeah, if it engulfs this candle, and this is just a double top and then a real major trend reversal. As I said, today I want to make sure I'm green, so whatever happens, I don't want. Yeah, it looks like a major trend reversal. I will just let it go for now, because it's important that we leave today. Actually, what was? Hmm. I can't even remember. Oh yeah, so this encourages me when I see that. Yeah, that's it. Oh, those sudden drops, they do know how to get your heart pumping. I mean, I may move my stop lower, or if I notice a trading range um, that is, yeah, if I notice a huge trading range, sort of, I'll be more convinced with that, because then that's 50-50. We may go up, we may go down. But if I notice that we're having a bit more, because there is no follow through here, as you can see, the bears are as strong as the bulls. Well, they look like they are. Right now, things are looking more in favor of the bears. I'll just keep watching. And let's see what's happening with SPY. Yeah, it looks very bullish. On the 5-minute chart, though, the on the 5-minute chart, we have very it doesn't look good for us. Let's take away these trend lines. I may actually end up being red today, the way this is going, but it will be a small red. 41. Okay. Just don't want to. I want to give myself enough room. Okay, now I've lost my. I've lost my screen. I can't seem to pull it back. I'll pull the other one instead. I was trying to. Somehow this thing has now got itself stuck. Windows. Yeah, it's stuck. Well. I had the other screen is the other screen is stuck between the two screens. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this one off, and then I'm gonna find a way to pull. Oh, this is the wrong one. Where's the other screen? Oh, come on. Oh gosh. All right, I'll do this after I finish recording. Somehow I've lost my screen, and I can't seem to retrieve it from the other window. All right. Okay, so Tesla's looking good. Let's see now. What screen's being recorded? Okay, cool. Not looking good. I need to stop soon because I've got to go. Yep, gotta go. All right, I'm gonna stop this trade. And where are we?